What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Hamis Tech. So you guys know I'm always very excited to show you when I get a new phone in the house, and today we have something from OPPO over here. We have this package over here. I just bought it, so it's not really a package anyway, but I'm going to show you what's inside. And over here we have the OPPO Find X2. Just OPPO Find X2. I didn't get the Find X2 Pro. OPPO just gave me this, and we're gonna show you guys. Gonna open this up and show you guys what's inside here. And first of all, before we start, I'm gonna show you guys that here the box. Can you look at it? It looks very nice. It has the light. You can shine some light on it. Show some bling bling over it right here, and it has a nice texture to it. So among all the boxes that have opened, actually, with the S20 Plus, the OnePlus 8 Pro, Poco phone, and everything else, I would say this is, in terms of the box, this one is one of the best there is out there anyway. So yes, I'm pretty excited to open this up, and we're going to check out the phone right over now. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So here are the contents in the box. Over here we have some pair of earphones. Hopefully they do sound good. Last time when I did use OPPO phones, they was pretty crap. They have the box over here, all the shenanigans, all your rulebooks, your warranty card, and a case over inside here. And also we have here a huge brick charger over here, this Super VOOC for the 65 watt of fast charging for the OPPO Find X2 over here. It is pretty similar to the OnePlus over here, the warp charge over here. It's pretty similar in size, but this is only like 30 watts. This is amazingly 65 watts over here, very fast. I am very excited to see how fast this charges up. And of course, we have the phone over here. Let us open this bad boy up. Very nice. I will not deny that. Can you look at that glossy? Woo! It looks very nice. Look at that reflection. You can see all around my house right here. Very slick. Has the nice OPPO logo over here. I'm not going to show you my IMEI number. And when it comes to the curved screen, yes, it's very similar to the OnePlus 8 Pro actually. It's no surprise over there. This phone came out just before the OnePlus 8 Pro, the OnePlus 8 series. They are anyway under the same umbrella company, so no biggie over there. I will do a side-by-side comparison with the OnePlus 8 Pro, and then we're going to do some tests. You know how it goes guys, the tests here and there, camera and all that. This phone costs about 1,000 USD, slightly below it. I got it here for 4,000 ringgit Malaysia. So we're going to check out some of its key specs. So in hand is about 209 grams. I would say it's pretty light. It's not very heavy, to be honest. I hope I don't break this thing. But it has a nice glass back over here. It has a Gorilla Glass 6 and Glass 6 on the front and a Glass 5 on the back. It is very nice. Like I said guys, it is very reflective, but yes, you do get some smudges here and there, but they do give a little bit of some texture over here. So you can see has some texture to it inside. Very nice looking over here. So this one is IP54 rated. This is not IP68. The OPPO Find X2 Pro does come with IP68, but this one just comes with IP54. So it does have a AMOLED screen over here that supports up to HDR10+, and its main feature of course is its 120Hz panel. It's something very common nowadays in 2020 in flagship phone nowadays. So yes, it does come with a 120Hz refresh rate, and look over here, it looks very gorgeous. Sorry, that is the notification over here. It is super gorgeous. It's very hard to show you on camera over here, but yes, it does look very nice. The colors are very punchy, the deep blacks and everything. I really like this screen so far. So like I said, this comes with 12 gigs of RAM and UFS 3 storage, 256 gigs worth of storage over inside this bad boy over here. So definitely this phone will last you for a very long time if you store a lot of photos or a lot of videos in this phone over here. It comes with a Snapdragon 865, the best flagship Android chipset you can get in 2020. And going on to over here, you can see they have a small cutout over here, very similar again to the OnePlus 8 Pro. It comes with a 32 megapixel camera. Going on to the back, it comes with a 48 megapixel sensor, main lens over here, a 13 megapixel telephoto, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. So yes, I would definitely be testing out the camera on this phone. So also it comes with stereo speakers over here. So this one actually comes with a smaller battery, comes at 4200 milliamp. But don't worry, you guys can charge this up with its 65 watts of charging over here. You don't get any wireless charging of this. It's pretty sad, it's pretty much of a bummer. But don't worry, like I said, you can charge with a 65 watt charger over here. So that is it guys, this is the OPPO Find X2 Pro over here. I will be doing more videos on it in the next few days to weeks, and I'll be testing. I'm pretty excited to use this as my daily driver, just to push it on. Fun fact that I actually used the OPPO F1 and F1 Pro, if I'm not wrong, many years back before the OnePlus 6, and that's how I got into the whole OnePlus umbrella ecosystem kind of thing. So yes, I've been pretty familiar with so-called the Color OS, but that was back then. I am pretty excited to see how this one performs. So stay tuned to this channel if you do enjoy, and if you want to see more videos of this, do click the like and subscribe button down below over here, and then yes, it will help a lot with the channel. If you want to follow me on my social media, do follow me in my Twitter, Instagram, Facebook at Dr. Hummus Tech. So that's it guys, this is Dr. Hummus Tech. Stay tuned to this channel, I can't say it anymore. Stay safe, take care, and wash those hands.